सो कंटिन्यू करते हैं हम लोग मैट्रिक्स को। तो स्टार्टिंग में हमने क्या सीखा हुआ था, व्हाट इज मैट्रिक्स, डिफिनेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, ओके, देन ऑर्डर ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स, देन टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट इक्वालिटी, सम ऑफ मैट्रिसेस। So matrices A and B are said to be equal. Yes or no? यहाँ पे काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आता है आप लोगों के लिए इक्वालिटी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस पे बेस्ड। तो मैट्रिसेस A and B are said to be equal if both have same order, means when A and B are of the same order and the corresponding elements of A and B are the same. Means two matrices are said to be equal. So first condition we have to check about the orders, whether the order of two matrices are same or not. Then we have to check corresponding elements. Corresponding elements, अभी एग्जांपल्स आपको क्लियर होगा। जैसे this is the first matrix and this is the second matrix. So what is the meaning of corresponding? This matrix means the matrix A and A11 is the element of the matrix A must be equal to the element of matrix of B and corresponding just this element must be equal to this. So first criteria we have to check the orders. So order is same. This is R1, this is R2, this is R1, this is R2, and columns are C1, C2, C3. So 2 is to 3, that is the order. Here also order is 2 is to 3. There are total number of 2 rows and 3 columns are given. 2 rows and 3 columns. So first step, how to find equality of matrices? First we have to check the order of a matrix. So order of matrix we can find. Then again we have to check the corresponding elements are equal or not. If the corresponding elements are equal, then we can say that the matrices are equal matrix. When are these two matrices equal? Okay. Order of A is 2 is to 3, जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो. Order of B is 2 is to 3. Both have the same order. When will the second condition be satisfied? Second condition is also important. Both conditions must be satisfied. If either corresponding elements are equal and order are not same, so it cannot be possible. But if orders are same and corresponding elements are same, then we can say that two given matrices are equal matrix. Aij is equal to Bij, means corresponding elements must be equal to each other. A11 must equal to B11, where I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1 to 3. Sum of two matrices, yes or no? So before that, suppose this is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 4, 2, 3, 4. So A is not equal to B. Why? Orders of A and B are same. A and B are same. But corresponding elements are not equal. You can also add all corresponding elements. All corresponding elements are not equal. Yes or no? Means this element must be equal to this. So we can say that A and B are not equal matrix. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to check? How to find matrices are equal or not? First, order. So order क्या है? 2:2. So order of A and B are equal to each other. And second, corresponding elements are also equal. Second, corresponding elements are also equal. Yes or no? Corresponding elements are also equal. So if order of a matrix is same and corresponding elements are same, then it is called equality of matrix. Means then two matrices are equal to each other. Suppose क्वेश्चन ऐसे आता है आपको A is equal to x1 2 3, B is equal to y2 y1 2 3. If A is equal to B, then find the value of x. So how to solve? Two matrices are given and it is given that both the matrices are equal to each other. So just you have to write by equality of matrix. By equality of matrix. By equality of matrix. Yes or no? Find the value of x. So you can write this as 0 लिख दो आप डायरेक्टली. So answer. So by equality of matrix क्या लिखोगे? X equal to 0. Means always you have to write this word. This sentence you have to write by equality of matrix. If two matrices are said to be equal, if both have same order and corresponding elements are equal to each other, so x must be equal to 0. So this is the answer. And always you have to add this sentence by equality of matrix. Now next thing, sum of two matrices. Means we have to study about the operation of matrices. Means how to add, subtract or multiply two matrices. Yes or no? So sum of two matrices. If A and B are the matrices of the same order. Yes or no? Suppose A is given 1 2 2 3. B is given 1 2 3 3 4 5. So A B is not possible. आप ऐड ही नहीं कर सकते इसको. Yes or no? So sum of two matrices, if two matrices, if A and B are the matrices of same order, then the sum of those two matrices is defined as the addition of corresponding elements of A and B. It is denoted by A plus B. It is denoted by A plus B. It is denoted by A plus B. If A and B are the matrices of same order, then the sum of those two matrices is defined as the addition of corresponding elements of A and B, and it is denoted by A plus B. So always whenever the question is given and you have to add, so first you have to check the order of both matrices are same or not. If the order of both matrices are same, then addition or subtraction is possible. Yes or no? Same order is important term here. Okay, means suppose A is equal to 1 2 2 3 and B is equal to 3 4 5 6. So we have to find addition of two matrices. So we have to add this and this. Corresponding elements we have to add. This and this. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 5. And 3 plus 6. Four, 6, 7, 9. So this is the answer. So this is A plus B. 4, 6, 7, 9. Yes or no? So this is A plus B. How to add? Just we have to add corresponding elements. Corresponding elements of 1 is 3. Corresponding elements of 2 of matrix A is equal to the corresponding elements of matrix B. So add करना है हम लोग को just 2, 5, 3, 6. So this is the answer. नोट डाउन कर सकते हो आप लोग या स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. किसी को भी कुछ डाउट आ रहा है तो आप मैसेज कर सकते हो. ओके लेट अस सी वन एग्जांपल. देन फाइंड ए प्लस बी. मैंने क्या बताया, जब भी क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो, जब भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो फर्स्ट चेक क्या करना है मुझे कि ऐड करना है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू चेक एडिशन इज पॉसिबल और नॉट. जो भी एडिशन है वो पॉसिबल है कि नहीं. यस और नो. जो भी हमारा एडिशन है वो पॉसिबल है कि नहीं. तो हम लोग चेक कैसे करेंगे एडिशन पॉसिबल है या नहीं. तो सबसे पहले ऑर्डर फाइंड करना है. सो ऑर्डर इज 2:3. R1, R2, C1, C2 and C3. R1 means row, R2 means row, C1 means column 1, column 2, column 3. So same is here. Okay. Since both have same order, so addition of matrix is possible. Addition of matrix is possible. Then A plus B, how to find, कैसे find कर सकते हो आप? You have to add corresponding elements. देखो आप, yes or no? ये देख लिया आपने, यहाँ पे देखो आप, A plus B both have same order, so we can add corresponding elements. We have to add. Yes, since both have same order, so addition of matrix is possible. Okay. Already you know how to find order of a matrix. मैथमेटिक्स में क्या है, लिंक्ड है. अगर आपने प्रीवियस कंसेप्ट को अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा है तो आगे आपको सॉल्व करने में दिक्कत होगा. 2 plus -2 करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं हम लोग. आप यहाँ पे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 3 plus 1 और फिर ऐड करके नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लिखो. -1 plus 7, so 6. 4 plus 3, 7. -3, 2, -1, and 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the answer. ये हमारा क्या है आंसर. ये क्या है हमारा, this is the answer. Means whenever the question is given and you have to add, so we have to find orders are same or not. If orders are same, then we have to add the corresponding elements. Next is the properties of sum of matrix. So if two matrices are given, yes or no, of the same order, If two matrices are given of the same order, the addition of matrices satisfies the following property. Commutative property. Commutative means 1 plus 2 is 3. So 2 plus 1 is also 3. Orders जो आप a plus b लिख रहे हो and b plus a both are same. Associate property. So a plus b plus c, we can write a plus b or plus c. Additive identity, this is very important. जैसे a plus 0, there is no change in the value. So this 0 is called additive identity matrix. A plus 0 is 0 matrix, is 0 plus a is same. So this O is called additive identity. There is no change. How to add 0 matrix? You can write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 0. Order must be same. So there is no change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you like this, or you can also write 0 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are same. Actually, two equal signs are not allowed in mathematics. That's why we write like this. Yes or no? So this condition is satisfied, and 0 is called the additive identity matrix. A plus b is equal to b plus a is equal to 0. So this is additive inverse. Additive inverse means, suppose this is a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So a plus b will be 0. So this is additive inverse, means b is called additive inverse of a. Any doubt? Diya, Arya? Aryan? Anybody has any doubt? Yes or no? So here 0 is called the additive identity, and here b is called additive inverse. After adding this b, order तो कम्यूटेटिव यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, you are getting 0. Simply we can say that additive inverse of A is minus A. Additive inverse of any matrix. Additive inverse of any matrix A, B, C, D कुछ भी लिखवा, क्या होगा इसका माइनस जस्ट लगा दो आप. So this is the answer. जैसे सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है हम लोगों को, आंसर बोलो आप लोग, क्या होगा आंसर इसके? फाइंड एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ए. Yes. Multiply every element with minus. Yes, very nice, very good. Multiply every element with minus sign. So you'll get 1. Minus 1 means 1 will convert into minus 1, minus 2 will be 2, and 3 will be minus 3, 4 will be minus 4, 5 will be minus 5, and minus 6 will be 6. Okay. Next is a scalar multiple of a matrix. A scalar means any constant value, just say 5, 6, 7, 8. So A be a matrix of order m into n and k be a scalar, then the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of A by k is called a scalar multiple of A. It is denoted by k. A scalar multiplication means suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? 1, 2 or 3, 4. Now how can you write? A will be means suppose you have to find 2a, so you have to write 2 into a. So this is the answer. Suppose you have to find 4a, so 4 into 1 2 3 4. How to write? Just multiply 4 8 12 and 16. So this is the answer. Yes or no? Means a scalar means 1 2 3 4 any constant value. You can also write k. K may be anything. So when you are going to multiply that value, so you have to multiply with each value. Just suppose that a is equal to 1 2 3. So you have to find ka. So k should be multiplied with each and every element of that matrix. So k, 2k, 3k and 4k. Okay? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. So suppose question will be given like this: a is equal to 4 1 2 3, b is equal to 2 3 1. You have to find 2a plus 3b. So first you have to find 2a. So I am writing it directly. 8 means you have to multiply with 2a means 2 into 4 1 2 3. So 8 2 4 6. 3b means 3 into 2 3 into 3 3 into 1 3 into 2. So 3b means 8 here 8 2 4 6 and 3b means 6 9 3 6. So just you have to add here 14 11 7 12. So this is the answer. So such type of question will also solved by this method. So that is the scalar multiplication and just addition. Okay? Any doubt? Next is subtraction. Just suppose that a is equal to 1 2 3 4 and b is equal to 2 4 6 8. So a minus b. So how to solve? You have to just solve 1 2 3 4 and you have to write plus and then minus b. Yes or no? Means you have to find how to find minus b. Just multiplied by minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So here you will write minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So this is the answer. A minus b. Means just multiplied by minus 1. Okay? And then add. Any doubt?